Hey y'all, it's your girl Keena from SweetGemLife. It's time to get this monthly budget done for October. As you've seen in my last few recent videos, I did switch back to a happy planner. So I will be continuing to use KaysiCreates kits. I am going to have to do a bit of finagling so that it works for me. But that's what we're here for. You want it, you got to work for it. So if you're interested in seeing how I set up my monthly budget, stay tuned. Okay, so I am working with, you guys know I have my catch-all. You just saw that a few moments ago. And I am working out of my, well, these pages are from the Girls Just Want to Have Funds planner that I took October, November, and December out of, put it in my catch-all. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the monthly view of the October budget, and then we're going to set up the actual budget list for October, and then you guys will see the paycheck budgets as the month goes on. So here's the monthly setup. Obviously, we're going to have to chop off Wednesday, so that's what we're doing today. So let's go ahead and get it done, baby. Time to lay down these date stickers. So I'm gonna speed through this. Be right back. All right, I got my bills laid down for the month. If you have watched any of my previous budget with me videos, you know that my bills have dramatically reduced. That has been on purpose. It has been systemic. There was a reason. That's always the goal, is to reduce debt, save your coins, period. So we're done with the monthly spread. We're going to go ahead and lay a monthly budget down, fill that in, and then I'll be back with you. So actual will get filled in at the end of the month, or as I go through the monthly spread checking off bills. And then you guys know I will come back each week to do my paycheck to paycheck budget. So here is my monthly setup in my bill pay tracker, or in my bill planner, my budget planner. Let's call it that. How about that? Here's my monthly spread in my budget planner. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can receive notifications when I post new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.